In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a website, Frontend and Backend with Figma. We'll use Figma plugins to recreate a website's visual design inside Figma. So you can inspect, edit, and iterate quickly. This process focuses on the front end, the layout, typography, colors, and assets. It doesn't copy server-side logic or databases. So consider it a design foundation you can later connect to real functionality. Start by opening Figma and going to the Community tab. Search for a plugin such as HTML.to.design or UXMagick.ai and install it. Make sure you are signed in to Figma so the install button is available, and glance at the plugin's description and reviews to confirm it supports the kind of pages you want to capture. If your team has plugin restrictions, you may need admin approval first. Create or open a Figma file and add a new empty page to keep your import organized. Run the plugin from the Plugins menu. You'll see a field to paste the URL of the website page you want to clone. Use a publicly accessible page for best results. Content behind logins or dynamically rendered sections may import partially. Always respect site terms and copyrights and use this technique for learning. Internal exploration or with permission. After you paste the URL and start the scan, the AI analyzes the page's structure, styles, and assets. It maps the HTML and CSS into frames, groups, and layers, collecting images and approximating fonts and spacing. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to choose desktop or mobile views, include multiple sections, or adjust how assets are fetched. When the import completes, you'll get a high-fidelity, fully editable Figma replica with organized layers and components. Expect frames for the header, hero, sections, and footer, text layers for headings and body copy, and image fills for illustrations or photos. If fonts are missing, Figma may substitute them, use font replacement to match them more closely, or assign your brand fonts now. Check that constraints and resizing behave as expected by testing a few frame sizes. Now refine the design. Centralize colors by creating color styles from imported fills, then apply them across the file. Define text styles for headings, subheads, and body to enforce consistency. Normalize spacing by introducing an 8-point scale or your team's standard. And convert repeated UI elements into components with variants. Where appropriate, add auto layout to groups for responsive behavior. Tidy up layer names and delete redundant frames. If images imported at low resolution, relink higher quality assets. As you refine, document choices so developers know which styles and components to use when building the real product. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.